Welcome to the video. Today, we are tackling an interesting problem. Imagine you have a simple program with an added twist. Its executable file has been signed and modified using a utility called disetool to inject specific data into the certificate section. Now the challenge is to retrieve this injected data, in this case the string super_ID test9a0, from within the program itself. How can we solve this problem? Let's dive into the solution. In the solution provided, we focus on extracting the injected data from the executable file. By utilizing a piece of code that reads the authenticode tail of the file, we can locate and retrieve the added information. The code performs a series of checks on the file structure, navigates to the attribute certificate table, and identifies the authenticode signature. Once the tail data is found, it is read and stored for further processing. This approach allows us to access and utilize the injected data within the program effectively. To sum it up, we have successfully addressed the challenge of reading injected data from a signed executable file. By employing a structured approach to extract the information from the certificate section, we can access the additional data embedded using the disetool utility. I hope you found this exploration helpful and informative. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding.